everyone. I am Mrs. Sabia Beg. My qualification is MSc Zoology B.Ed. I have worked as PGT Biology in Vidyaprishthan English Medium School for 14 years. During this journey, I have shouldered many responsibilities like I have worked as HOD Science subject of secondary section. I love my subject and I like very much to teach biology to 11th and 12th students. So right now I have joined one academy to guide the NEET aspirants. This is about myself. Now coming to the online science and maths competition. Here first of all I would like to thank Mrs. Baravkar, Principal of Vidyaprishthan New Bal Vikas Mandir Pimpri, Baramati, for giving me this opportunity to work as a judge for this competition. I would also like to thank all the science teachers who have taken this effort for completion of this activity. Being a teacher, I can understand very well what efforts a teacher need to organize and complete successfully even a small competition. Next, I would like to congratulate all the participants because there are many students, but you are the one who have participated, because participating is a step towards success. While evaluating the videos, I felt very happy that the students are explaining very well. I appreciate the efforts taken by the students, teachers as well as the parents, because I have seen that in many videos students have made few models, use certain things for which definitely they must have taken help of parents. Without that it would not have been possible. Few points just I would like to discuss here, and I hope surely they will be helpful for you people in your future competition. Listen students, whenever you are participating in any competition, first of all, stuck to the time limit. I have gone through the notice given to you, and in that it was mentioned that you have to select a topic and you have to explain it in 5 to 7 minutes. Few students have made the videos which are of only 2 to 3 minutes, and few have extended the limit till 10 to 12 minutes. So always remember, if it is a competition, the time limit should be there and you have to follow it. Second thing, the good explanation is not the one in which you have included a very complex content. Always remember, a good explanation is the one which is very simple and is understood by everyone. Few students have added the content of 11th and 12th, which is not necessary, because your topic is of 10th standard. If you are adding the higher class content, you should see that it is understood, it is digestible. So unnecessarily don't add higher class content. Another thing, not necessarily the topic should be very complex. A very simple topic also, if you are explaining it in a very innovative way and in a very easy way, that will be the best one. Next thing, few students have used the videos from YouTube. You are allowed to use, but you should see that you are also adding your own creativity, your own originality should be there, because few students have used the video as it is throughout the explanation and just added your voice. So here your own creativity is not there. Add your own creativity. It is very important. And lastly, confidence. You should be confident enough that whatever you are explaining is very correct one, and for that your concept should be very clear. If your concept is clear, your explanation also will be very clear. So few rubrics which I have added while evaluating, that were the time limit and confidence, and other three rubrics were concept clarity, next one was originality or creativity, and finally the presentation. So based on these rubrics, all the videos are evaluated, and after evaluation I have taken out the first three rankers, and the third rank goes to Vaishnavi Teki, whose topic was human digestive system. Congratulate Vaishnavi. The second rank goes to Sanika Pandarikar. Her topic was nutrition in humans. Congratulate Sanika. And the first rank goes to Preeti Bargi. Her topic was refraction of light. So at last I would like to congratulate all the three winners as well as teachers, parents and principal Mrs. Baraukar. Thank you.